Domi's camp, northern Iraq, currently home to more than 45,000 Syrian refugees. Since August 15th, over 47,000 refugees have crossed into Iraq through its northern border with Syria. The Kurdish and Iraqi governments worked hard to absorb the influx. On this day, the chiefs of UNHCR and World Food Programme came to Domi's camp to express their gratitude for the support they had given.
My appeal to the international community is to mobilize all efforts to support, first of all, the refugees coming from Syria, but to support also the people and the government of Kurdistan, the local communities, in order for them to be able to cope with this enormous challenge.
Executive Director of the World Food Programme, Ertharin elaborated on the need for humanitarian access inside Syria.
While we will continue to work together here to provide the support that is necessary to ensure that no one goes hungry, we must demand as an international community the humanitarian access that is necessary inside Syria to ensure that no child goes hungry, no child goes without medical care, that all of the services that are necessary can be provided.
The suffering of Syrian refugees continues, but many are grateful for what has already been provided.
أنا أول ما جيت كان عندي قميص بنطلون قنطرة ما عندي شيء الحمد لله تروح لعندي على البيت كل شيء موجود.
They know that this cannot be a long-term solution.
بدنا نرجع على بلادنا ونستمتع ببلادنا وبلادنا كان طيب وأهلنا كلن هنيك هلا هنيك يعني يضلوا إخواتي وأنا هون أهلي هون وبناتن هنيك يعني وضع مو كويس بس يصير تحسن تنرجع.
Others express their thanks to the local government for providing safety.
جينا لهون دولة كردية ما قصر معنا من أول لآخر خدمات أكل مصاري خيرات تجي ما قصروا معنا نهائيا وهون بألف أمان الحمد لله من فضل الله ومسعود البرزاني.
Later the same day, Executive Director Cousin and High Commissioner Guterres visited a newly established camp at Kawagoshk near Erbil.
Hello. So tell me, how are we doing here? How many people have you enrolled in the program so far?
The camp was built to provide temporary shelter for the recent influx of refugees. Local authorities have now asked UNHCR to make the camp permanent. The World Food Programme has dispatched 37,000 family food rations to northern Iraq, enough to feed 185,000 people for 1 month. UNHCR is coordinating the response and working with the Kurdistan regional government to establish a new camp at Dar Shakran. These Syrian refugees have found refuge in northern Iraq, but a resolution to the crisis that pushed them from their homes seems more distant than ever.